Hi there, Python enthusiasts. Ever felt like starting your own blog but didn't want to rely on third-party platforms? Today, we'll be turning your Python skills into a full-blown blogging platform. By the end of this video, we'll have a live blog with user authentication and a rich text editor for writing posts. So, let's get started. First things first, let's create a project directory and set up a Python virtual environment. This keeps our project and its dependencies nicely isolated. Now that our environment is set, let's install Flask. It is a badass Python framework that will do a lot of heavy lifting for us. Next, we'll create our main Python file where our app will live. Let's call it app.py and add some simple code to get our Flask app running. Don't forget to run your Flask app. If you followed along correctly, you should see a hello world at localhost 5000. Good job. So far so easy, right? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Help your fellow Pythonists find this content. Alright, getting back into it, let's dive into the world of databases. We'll use SQLite for simplicity, and we'll incorporate the Flask SQL Alchemy extension for interfacing with SQLite. It makes life a whole lot easier. Let's create a simple user table with an ID and a username. Remember to create your DB object and shelving in the SQL Alchemy database. You are right to point to the local SQLite database we're about to create. Now, let's create the database itself. Open up your Python shell, import the DB object and create everything. Go on, don't be shy. There you go. We've created a database for our blog, a user table that consists of some basic information. We'll continue to build our blogging platform in the next video, where we'll discuss user authentication and creating a rich text editor for your blog posts. That's it for this episode. If you're excited to build further on this, do come back for our next segment. Don't forget to like, share, and catch you Pythonists later,